Hi, welcome to another episode. So today I'm going to make a very simple chicken curry called chicken korma. Chicken curry can be made 1,000 ways, you know that, right? There is chili chicken, chicken curry, chicken kadai, chicken chettinad. There's so many Indian varieties to make chicken curry, but today I'm going to make a very simple chicken curry with coconut milk or grinded coconut. It's called chicken korma. So we need coconut, of course, but other stuffs are very basic ingredients from our house. So today we'll start making a simple chicken korma. So chicken korma is otherwise called chicken with coconut milk. It's a very simple recipe. Again, I always say simple recipe because I just want you guys to try it. So we are all stuck in our home, right? We have kids, they don't have school until April 15th, and which we don't know whether it's going to be April 15th or rest of the year. So it's one way to keep the kids involved or occupied is to teach them little basics of cooking. I know my kids are very lazy, they don't want to come to kitchen and help me, but I'm just trying to see whether they can come and start helping me with a little bit of things like loading, unloading dishwasher, or do laundry with me, do some gardening, folding clothes. So some small things they can do, and I think this is the best time to teach our kids a little life lessons, right? Basic life lessons. So yesterday in our community website, I happened to see one of my friend Pill. She put a video. She actually had a very good point. She was telling rather than going negative or going panic with all the situation around, just do something positive. Just think there are a lot of things that you can do in your home with your kids. So she started creating a video on how to fold a fitted sheet or how to set up your bed, and one of other person also posted a list of basic life lessons to teach the kids. That sounds very informative, like some of the things which they don't know, how to make a signature, how to come up with a creative signature, do a little bit of banking, go to online and start learning a new language or some new hobby, music or guitar, something. There are a lot of opportunities, especially in our technology. There's a lot of things we can do online. So I started thinking to do a little bit cooking lessons for my kids. I have two girls, and both of them, I think my older one doesn't like to do cooking, but younger one always come and help me. So today we'll make a small...
That's how I write my name in cursive.
Oh, cool signature. So we'll start making our chicken curry today. What are you planning to do today?
I don't know what to do.
Making chicken curry.
I don't
So
know.
first we need some chicken breast, 3 chicken breast. I cut into small pieces.
Okay.
I have some like half onion chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, some coriander leaves, 2 tomato, ginger garlic paste. I'm using some cashews as well. Okay, and some spices. You can see turmeric, chili powder, salt, all spices. And then I'm also going to add some coconut, like 2 tablespoons, with jeera, cinnamon stick, black cloves and black pepper, and turmeric, chili powder, mixed spice, coriander powder, and salt. That's it.
Everyone heads up, ignore all of this.
So we need a chopper like this to grind or chop the onion and green chili and ginger garlic paste. You can do it. Put all this and start chopping it. Okay. So I'm going to grind the coconut along with all the spices. So before that, I grinded the onion and the tomato. So I'll show you that. Grinded half onion and ginger, garlic and chili. I also grinded 2 tomatoes. So now I'm going to put all these in the mixer. Okay, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of the mixed spices. Actually, don't need 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon should be good. And add like 1/4 cup of water to this and grind to paste. Have a pan, teaspoon of oil, you can use any oil, chili, coriander leaves mixture. Okay, just saute for some time. The paste, the coconut paste, after we grind it with the cashews and coconut and everything, looks like this. So we can add this to the chicken later. Okay, so we have to keep it for 5 minutes until that raw smell of the onion goes away, until it becomes slightly brown. Okay, then we can add tomatoes. Now you can see the onions are slightly browned, right? Again, for tomato also, you need that raw smell to go away. The tomato, the raw smell completely is gone. So just add half teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. Okay. See, now it looks a little nice color. So now you can add the chicken to this. And mix it up. It is mixed up very well. You can add the coconut mixture. Add a little bit more water to this. Okay, I'm adding some water to the remaining coconut thing and adding that to the bowl. So it's not like very dry curry, right? Chicken korma is a curry, so it has to be a little gravy type. Oh, I forgot to add one thing. 1 teaspoon of salt. I always forget, but you always need a little bit of salt, not too much. Okay, let's cook for 10 minutes. Check our chicken korma. Ooh, so good. Perfect. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. Switch off the flame. Okay, that's it. Chicken is ready. Made some rice pulao. So rice pulao goes very well with chicken korma. So rice pulao is nothing but basmati rice cooked with green peas and carrots and a little bit of butter. So I'm going to add that butter and cashews to this. Just want to give a little bit of cashew flavor since I'm using cashews in the chicken korma. Just want to add a little bit to the pulao as well. Our food is ready. So our chicken korma is ready. That's okay, that's okay. Our rice pulao is ready. And this is for Amy, special. Okay, go get ready and come. Late dinner. Everything is done within 30 minutes. It's not as bad as you think Indian cooking is. So please give it a try in your home and watch this video. Subscribe to my channel and let me know your feedback. Enjoy your dinner. Bye.